Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, April 1. The Ministry of Health says the country continues to be on influenza or flu alert. In a release, the ministry says it notes recent public concerns around influenza A caused by the H1N1 virus and cautions that the flu is to be taken seriously as it can lead to pneumonia and blood infections and cause diarrhea and seizures in children. The flu can also worsen chronic medical conditions such as heart or lung disease. Additionally, the ministry says infants and young children, adults 60 years and older, pregnant women and persons with chronic medical conditions or weakened immune systems are at high risk of serious complications from the flu. The Ministry of Health has confirmed the deaths resulting from complications arising from influenza, including H1N1, and as a result increased its public awareness campaign and put in place enhanced infection control measures in public hospitals and health facilities. Medication stocks have been increased at health facilities to respond to the increase in the number of persons being hospitalized. Opening hours have also been extended at health centers. Influenza A H1N1 is an acute respiratory infection caused by the influenza type A H1N1 virus. It is one of a number of viruses that result in seasonal flu in the island annually. All assets and some liabilities of the Petrocaribe Development Fund, PCDF, have been integrated into the Ministry of Finance as of yesterday, March 31. CEO of the PCDF, Dr. Wesley Hughes, says the integration allowed Jamaica to repay approximately 50% of its $3.2 billion debt to Venezuela. In addition, Dr. Hughes says the fund, as a separate entity, will cease to exist.
We are extremely proud of our accomplishments at the fund and the contribution that the fund has been able to make to Jamaica's overall development, both at the macroeconomic level and at the infrastructural development, the human capital development, and in other areas generally. And the governance arrangements within the fund allowed us to operate effectively and without too much fuss and bother, to allow us to accomplish what we were set up to accomplish.
Dr. Hughes was speaking at a JIS think tank recently. The fund was established from an agreement between Venezuela and a group of countries in the Caribbean and Central America due to the increase in oil prices and the attempt to find a way to improve the impact of the increase on these countries. And finally, Jamaica is ranked 14 in the top 25 best destinations in the world for 2019 by TripAdvisor. The ranking is listed on the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Awards World's Best Destinations. The country is also listed as the best destination in the Caribbean and is the only island in the region to have been selected. Jamaica is named among destinations such as London, Paris, Rome, Crete, and Bali, which rounds off the top 5. TripAdvisor says the travel destination list was compiled based on reviews and ratings by millions of travelers who use this website to rank their experiences. TripAdvisor is the world's largest travel site with over 730 million reviews and opinions, covering the world's largest selection of travel listings worldwide. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.